welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria and I'm so glad that you guys are here with me today. And for my first time viewers who are joining me for the very first time, welcome guys. Guys, today I am making almond milk. Now, I love making nut milk. All nuts are good to eat, they're good to make butter, and they're good to make milk. And I love making nut milk, and I ran out of almond milk to make my smoothie. So, and you guys know how much I love making smoothie every day. So I was like, why not make me some fresh almond milk to make my delicious smoothie? So let me make my almond milk today. Now, this is my raw almond. I soak 1.5 cup of raw almond overnight, and I soak 5 dates to add with my almond. And I have just 1 teaspoonful of sea salt. That's all I need to use to make my almond milk. And my fresh water. This is my Poland spring water. And that's it. So simple to make almond milk. So let me begin. However, if you want taste in your almond, you could have some honey in it. You could have vanilla to make it just vanilla. But I just wanted to just be like original, so I chose not to use vanilla this time in my milk. But you could use vanilla, that's optional. Honey is optional. So this is 3 cups of water. With the nuts, we'll bring it up to probably 4 cups. Start your blender in medium, low, and then just bring your blender up to a little higher during the blending of your almond. You can have, as I said before, your vanilla. You could even have some cinnamon if you want to have some cinnamon in your almond. Love almond because almond is low in calories, low in sugar, and vitamin D, vitamin E. I think by now everyone is familiar with almond and all the good things that almond have to it, but in case you don't familiar yet, check my description box for all the benefits of almond. Well, now it's time for me to taste. Amazing source of calcium and vitamin D. Guys, this tastes so refreshing, tastes so good. Remember to use your sea salt. Your kosher sea salt. Tastes so amazing. I have enough milk to make my smoothie. So you will see my smoothie, this smoothie fun day coming up. My smoothie will there because I have milk for my smoothie. Guys, if you remember to hit thumbs up in this video, and if you're new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, please hit the red subscribe button below and hit the notification bell so when I upload new videos you'll get a notification. And please leave me a comment. I love receiving comments. That's our way of communicating with each other. And also comment or also for new visitors who are just passing through, and comment, encourage them to stay for a while. Oh, and remember to share my videos with your friends so they can hit the subscribe button on my channel too, so my channel can continue to grow. I know that you guys have a million choices and you stop by me, and I thank you so much. And please remember to like All Luxury on Facebook and follow All Luxury 1 on Instagram. The link is in my description box below, along with all the health benefit of almond in my description box. Oh, and follow me, all trending with Victoria on Instagram. Oh, and tweet me on Twitter too. The link is in my description box below. Everything is in my description box below. Guys, I'm so honored that you guys are here again. I know you have 1,000,001+ choices, and you're here with me today. I cannot wait to see you in my next video.